Andarki Namaskaram. This is Dr. Archana, consultant gynecologist from Raghavi Hospital. Today let's talk about white discharge, scientifically called leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is basically two types. One is physiological and other one is pathological. Physiological means patient can have small amount of white discharge and need not worry, and it is normal for every female to have it. When do you call it physiological? When there is little bit of white discharge, watery in consistency, and few periods only during the cycle. That is during before the periods come, during the period of ovulation, after intercourse, or just before the periods are about to start. These are the times when female patient need not come to a doctor, and it is common for every female patient to have this small amount of white discharge. So the next one is pathological. That means when should a patient come to a doctor and visit a gynecologist? When there is white discharge. When the white discharge is irritating to the patient, it is more in amount and it is throughout the entire period of the menstrual cycle, or when it is different in color like watery, whitish in color, curdy sort of, greenish frothy in color, and there is associated with itching and there is foul smelling discharge, then the patient has to come to a gynecologist. And one more thing to note is when there is pain or bleeding at the time of intercourse, the patient has to come to the doctor and get it examined. So after coming to a gynecologist, we do a small speculum examination and see how the cervix is. So from here we can take a small pap smear and see if there are any erosions and send it to test. If there is simple infection which can be treated, can go for a treatment, like it could be antifungal, it could be antibacterial, or it could be protozoal infections, which can be easily treated by simple speculum examination. Any other issues can be addressed, and with this we can get a pap smear from this small particular area and send it to test and see if there are any changes which can go to a further and go to a cancer in later stages. So this can be treated. Don't avoid, don't neglect coming to a doctor. It is advisable if any of these features, as I have mentioned earlier, please come to a doctor and get it examined. Thank you.